Lauren O'Connor, welcome to the Valder Beebe Show live out of Dallas, Texas. How are you?
Good. Thanks for having me.
I want my audience to know I'll be speaking with Lauren O'Connor. She's the VP of Auto Products for Personal Insurance at Travelers. Okay, Lauren, we're wrapping down the end of the year. I'm sure insurance has a big place in the last month of the year. Tell me about car buying this time of year and how it affects insurance.
Yeah, so I think if you're thinking about a new car for the holiday season, it's really important that you review your auto policy and make sure that you have the right coverage for that vehicle and right coverage overall. So it's always a great idea to review your policy when you're adding a driver, adding a vehicle, or even just updating your coverage overall. It's always helpful to go through that process and make sure you've got the right coverage at the right price. And we always recommend consulting an independent agent in that process because they can help navigate it for you.
Okay, so tell me, can you explain the difference in the types of car insurances that put us in various situations that we want to have coverage?
Sure. There's really three types of insurance coverages that we have. And so the first one is liability coverage. And that's going to cover you in the event that you're at fault for an accident. It's going to cover any damage that you may cause, whether it's to another vehicle, to someone's property, or even injuries that may result out of an accident. And so that's when liability coverage will kick in. The second is collision coverage, and that's going to cover your vehicle in the event of an accident, so for repair or damages or even replacement if necessary. And then the last one is comprehensive coverage, and that is similarly going to cover your vehicle, but it's not going to be for the result of an accident. It's going to be something like theft or vandalism, or if a tree falls on your car, or any other natural disasters that might occur.
Okay. End of year, great car deals, especially on the previous model, but on the upcoming models. Any suggestions for us when we're looking to buy a new car and we need insurance coverage? How can we be smarter?
Yeah, so one thing you can do is, you can do your research online and make sure you feel good about the coverage and the options that are out there. You can consult family, friends, and really just do any research that you might be able to find out there. But then also, like I mentioned, you can consult an independent agent. They can really help navigate through the tricky insurance buying process that we have.
Okay. Let me ask you, when you have, take this one from Instagram, they want to know when you're adding your recently new drivers, which are teenagers, to your coverage, is there anything we need to know?
Yeah, you just want to make sure that you're calling and updating your policy whenever you're adding a driver, or if anyone has access to your vehicle and will be driving it, you want to make sure you're adding them. You can always look for discounts when you're adding teen drivers. There's good student discounts that may apply based on the driver that you're adding. And so really just, again, if you consult that agent, they can help you add the driver, and then they can help make sure that you're maximizing all the discounts that are out there.
Okay, poster, hopefully that answers your question. I'm going to take this final one from Facebook. They want to know over the holidays, usually when they have relatives come to town, they may need to go to the store, the florist, or something like that. Do they need to be covered? How does that work?
Yeah, so I would say, every circumstance is a little bit different, but maybe broadly speaking, if someone is borrowing your car with your permission, they are generally covered under your policy. But if you have any more complex situations or any further questions, again, you can always ask an agent and they can help understand the coverage that you have.
They've got more questions than I've got time with you, Lauren. Where do they go online to find out more answers?
Yeah, so you can find out more about Travelers at travelers.com, or you can go to agent.travelers.com and find a local independent agent near you.
Thank you so much, Lauren, and happy holidays, and thanks for that information.
Same to you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Valder Beebe, host of The Valder Beebe Show. We have over 1,000 videos on ValderBeebeShow.com and YouTube.com/Valder Beebe Show. We upload new videos daily. Our site is a modern baby boomer platform with news and information important to boomers. Subscribe to youtube.com/Valder Beebe Show and stay connected as I interview the world's most fascinating people.